Shadows, it is our last day in Edinburgh and we are headed to walk up to Arthur's Seat, which is the extinct volcano that sits in the middle of Edinburgh. We've seen it from the top of Carlton Hill, we've seen it from the top of the castle, we've seen it from everywhere. So we're gonna hike up there. It's gonna be a nice little nature day. Let's get this day started. Arthur's Seat beat me. There's no, I just can't, like, I still have to climb up the stairs to get back into the hostel. But I did make it 3/4 of the way, if you can see behind me. I think I'm gonna go over and check out the Salisbury Crags too, so that'll give us a good view. It's still beautiful, so I did good. I would have never made it this far before, and really I'm not out of breath. It's just my legs and the fact I still have to climb 77 steps to get back to my hostel, so I would rather not kill myself. Plus it's starting to rain a little bit, and the path down is not very user-friendly, I would imagine, in the rain. So it's good I start going down now. All right guys, let's go check out the Salisbury Crags. Alright guys, I think I'm gonna leave it here from on top of Salisbury Crags. This is where I'm leaving Edinburgh. It was amazing. That was my little buddy. I had lunch with him, the Raven. It was amazing. Absolutely loved my 2 weeks here. I saw so much. There's so much more to see. So I'm heading to Inverness, where we're gonna go to Loch Ness and do all kinds of fun stuff up there in the Highlands. I really love Edinburgh. It now has a special place in my heart, but I have to go. So make sure you guys check the description box below to find links to my blog and social media so you get the full 360-degree experience with me. And until next video guys, safe journeys.